your talk with us. Now we're going to begin the Q&A part, the question and answer part of the talk. Before we begin, we'd like to ask you to please not raise your hand to ask questions directly. We prefer you to write your question on a piece of paper and submit it in a written format. If you'd like to ask a question, you can raise your hand and one of our wonderful volunteers will give you a piece of paper and a pencil to write a question on, and they'll hand it up to me. If we've got time, we'll get to all of them. We'll start with a question or two about yourself. So, for starters, when did you first come to Korea?
Oh boy. We were talking beforehand, that's a complicated. I actually first came to Korea right after I graduated from university back in 1982.
Oh.
Yeah. I was very young, but I was demody even then. Yeah, no, I first came right after when I was very young. I was actually a long time student of something called subakdo, or tamsudo, like taekwondo or taekyon. So, and through that I came to Korea to study that. I was interested in Buddhist thought too. Ended up in Busan, stayed for a few years, met my wife.